Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started today on this driver's side door, getting all the felt and rubber around all the window inside here. All new rubber and this and that. That's pretty much what we're looking at, everything we need right there. So yeah, passenger side door is done. So I'm going to go ahead and get this panel off. Here we go. Alright, to get this side vent window out here, I've got two Phillips right there to take out on the bottom. One, two here, and two on top. Had to come straight up with it and turn it and bring it out past that little groove right there, so that helped it come on out. So yeah, we got that out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the glass out real quick. Alright, taking this glass out right here, I'm going to go ahead and do it the same way I did the other side. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much just take it off the track there. Slide it on out. There we go. Alright, after getting this vent wing window out, I went on and brushed this spring off real good. Got the rust off of it because I got to take this off, get the wind out, and take all the rubber and stuff off around it. I got to get this little deal here out, little pin right there. It's somewhat out now. But there's a little hole on the side. You knock it on through and take it out. And take everything off. Go ahead and get it painted. This side's kind of pitted pretty bad. But I'm going to go ahead and treat this rust here. And go ahead and put some filler in. Paint it up pretty decent. Ain't nothing showtime about this bad dog. But I'm going to make it look halfway decent. Alright, on this little piece right here, of course this is the new piece right here. On this old one, I went on and chipped away some of the rubber, that hard rubber right in there, and I'm going to grind these little rivets down so I can get the new one in. The new one, of course, is going to go back in the same spot, and I'll rivet it in. Let me break my grinder out. Alright, got everything painted up last night. I come back with a red Scotch-Brite, got the shine off of it. So that's what we're looking at. Same way with this one here. So we'll get everything put back together. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rubber seal around here first. Lock it all in real good. Then I'll put my post strip in. I believe it goes this way. I got to put this in first because this strip in here locks behind it, so this has got to go last. That's why I made a mistake on the passenger door and had to redo it. Alright, after getting the rubber seal around it, it all fit in real good. There's a little end here. The reason why this has got to go in first, there's a little piece of rubber there that sticks out this way. So this little strip here can set right on top of and rivet on in. Keep it all sealed up. Where's it at? There it is, yeah. Alright, same way on the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and rivet this on. Alright, same way I did the other one. Went on put something in the vise here. Give me something to hit against so I can smash them in. Go ahead and knock that in. It comes with these little rivets right here. There they are. So I'll go ahead and get this put in. Like that number. I'll stick the rivet through the hole right there. Right through there. And then on the other side, they don't give you these little washers, but I go ahead and put the washer on the back side so when I smash it in, it gets a better bite. And I'll go ahead and get all four of them in there. Here we go. Alright, there it is. I got the first one in. I'm going to flip it over and put a washer right here, then smash it in with this little tool here they gives me. There it is. There we go. Put the washer on there. There we go, right there. It's the back side. So I'm going to go and catch these other three real quick and be done with this one. Got to watch that little piece of rubber that's sitting out right there so you don't smash it in, kind of stay behind it. Alright, one more. Some of them are a little tough to go in, that's why I'm kind of spreading it out a little bit. They give you plenty of these in that kit also, so just in case you mess them up like I did the first four on the passenger door and I had to grind them off. Because I didn't put this on first, the seal. And the first time I tried them without a washer and they just come right through, so that's why I'm putting a washer on the back side of them now. I did this to my red pickup, but I kind of forgot after a couple of years back how I done them. I don't know, some folks may do this different, but that's the way I do it. Alright, sometimes I got to go back through my old videos to remember how some of these parts went on my red pickup there. Like this piece right here, this big flat end has got to go in there towards this end, like that. So that's going to go in first. Then I can take this bolt on this window here and slide it in, then get everything else put on. Here we go. Alright, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and get my springs and nut and everything on there and be done with this. Alright, when I tore this thing down, it had two more little washers in between this metal here, nylon or something, whatever it was made of. Probably to keep it from squeaking, but I didn't put it back on, didn't have any, but it's going to be alright. And I put just enough tension on it, on this spring when I tightened it up, so the wind won't hit this and close it up when you're going down the road. So I think that feels pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and bend these little tabs over on that nut there real quick. I'll be good to go. Alright, went on and got the handle and pin through there and bent them little tabs over on each end. Stopped squeaking for some reason, so I'm good to go there. I went on and put me a little weather adhesive, just a little dab here, here, and here. Probably don't need it, but did it anyway. I'm going to go and get this felt on real quick. Be done with this. Alright, I went on and got the glass setting tape already in there. I folded it. What I'm going to do is go and push the glass straight on in there. And it should squeeze on up and stay in. So let's see what happens. Alright, I went on and got the glass put in. Painted that track down there black. It's good to have this blanket down here too when you're knocking all this in, so worked out good. Alright, let's get this wing put in. Or maybe the glass, let's find out. All right, the last deal I got to do this door is go ahead and put this felt on both sides of the glass. Of course, it's going to go behind that, and it's going to buckle in on them little slots on this side of the door. Of course, I'll snap it in. And if you mess up like I did on that door over there and had to take it back off, them little clips will break and it won't work. You'll mess around and have to put a little bit of that monkey tape there on it in between each one of these. So hopefully this one will go in and be alright. So here I go. All right, here we go. Everything's in. Pretty decent. To still have all the old parts and stuff in it, the window crank and all that. I think it does real good. The glass is still original. Got a few little scratches on it, but it ain't nothing big. So yeah, both sides are done. I can get started on something else. There we go. I broke out the old red truck a while ago just to look back at some of the stuff I'd done on the window on this one. Of course, everything's still doing good on this one too. I think it was a different type of felt on this one across the bottom. I believe I got some kind of deluxe package or something, but yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one for a cruise here in a minute. Get it on out, good Sunday ride. But then again, I don't know. Looks like there's a storm coming. I may slide it back in the garage. Get it tomorrow. Y'all take it easy. Catch you on the next one.